Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we are going to talk about the benefits of meditation and how it can help you relax and improve your life. Meditation is a simple yet powerful tool that can help reduce stress, improve concentration, and enhance overall well-being. In this video, we will explore the science behind meditation and the many benefits it can provide. The benefits of meditation. Research has shown that meditation can have a wide range of benefits, including reduced stress. Meditation can help reduce the production of stress hormones like cortisol, which can lead to a reduction in feelings of anxiety and stress. Improved concentration. Regular meditation practice can help improve focus and concentration, leading to improved performance in tasks that require mental clarity. Enhanced self-awareness. Meditation can help increase self-awareness, which can lead to a greater understanding of one's thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. Better sleep. Meditation can help calm the mind and promote relaxation, leading to better quality sleep and improved sleep patterns. Reduced symptoms of depression and anxiety. Studies have found that meditation can help reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety by promoting a sense of calm and well-being. How to meditate? Meditation is a simple practice that can be done almost anywhere. Here are some steps to get started. 1. Find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. 2. Sit in a comfortable position with your back straight. 3. Close your eyes and focus on your breath. Pay attention to the sensation of the air moving in and out of your body. 4. When your mind begins to wander, gently bring your attention back to your breath. 5. Start with just a few minutes of meditation per day and gradually increase the time as you become more comfortable with the practice. In conclusion, the benefits of meditation are many, from reduced stress to improved concentration and enhanced self-awareness. By incorporating meditation into your daily routine, you can improve your life and enjoy greater peace and well-being. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips.